How's it going, everyone? This is Jesse with Jesse's Knife Reviews with another review for you. So, as you can see, I have CIVIVI. So this is going to be the CIVIVI Brazen. It comes in this nice little pouch. CIVIVI typically does that. Some knife instructions. Nice little sticker here of their CIVIVI Elementum. Nice little cloth. Here's the knife. That's how this pouch is nice and soft. It's a nice touch. So here's the knife. Good looking little knife. It's got a blade length of 3.46 inches long with an overall length of just over 8. Full flat grind, stone wash blade. Handle thickness is 0.47 inch thick, and as you can see, it does have a deep pocket carry clip, recessed screws, stainless steel clip, so fits down in there well. G10 handles, all ceramic, ball bearings, liner lock. Blade material is 14C28N, which is a good value orientated steel. It's a flipper lock, and man, that action is smooth. It's got these little thumb studs, and I'm not a thumb stud guy. I don't like thumb studs that much. And if I have them on a knife, I definitely want them to be tip up, which this is. It's ambidextrous for left or right hand carry, but you don't have the option between tip up and tip down, which I do prefer tip up, especially if a knife's got thumb studs. Because if they're up top, they tend to scrape your hand if you slide your hand in your pocket. And I carried this knife last night, and it does carry well in the pocket. It's got a strong detent. As you can see, it doesn't shake out. Amazing action. So this knife is 3.7 ounces in weight, so it's just a nice size for EDC, and I mean, it just carries really well. This knife was $49 on Amazon, and that's not bad for the price and the features you get. CIVIVI is a budget brand of WE Knives, which is a premium knife maker. But this company could stand on their own. It's just great ergos, great fit and finish. Everything just works. The only issue I've had so far, you see this little lanyard hole here? I don't like that. I like the way it looks, but in my hand, I can feel it. Just kind of rub that edge right there. And the same thing with going in my pocket. When I put my hand in my pocket, I can feel it if my hand's toward the back of the pocket. So, other than that, this is excellent. It's got good blade to handle ratio. Some knives have a certain length blade, and then the handle is just much larger. This one takes up all available space, and no more than you need. But it still has I've got large to extra large size hands, and I'm able to get a full 4-finger grip on the knife, and it fits well in the hand. So CIVIVI is doing a great job with their knives. You'll definitely see more CIVIVI knives on my channel in the future, mixed in with all kinds of other styles and brands and all that stuff. But CIVIVI, I'm very impressed with this CIVIVI knife. It's got a wicked sharp edge on it, just shaving sharp. And that 14C28N for the money should hold and sharpen well. It's good rust protection too. You see that almost full swedge it has there. Very kind of a thin tip on this blade, though. I wouldn't want to do any real heavy work or use it as a screwdriver like maybe some other knives that I can do. And I'm not suggesting that you should always do that with your knife, but I like a knife that can do a lot. But this is a good knife for slicing and just cutting things up, things like that. It'll definitely be in the rotation for a little while. And again, guys, that action is just effortless. And the same thing with the thumb stud, no problems. And also too, drop shut. So if you like this review, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will put a link in the description to where you can get this knife on Amazon. They have several other models and brands. If you haven't heard of CIVIVI or taken a look at them before, you should definitely do that. And even if you have, and you have a couple CIVIVIs, this is one to look at here. This Brazen is a very value-oriented knife. It's coming in right at 50 bucks. A lot of knives that don't have this feature or this material handle, these materials and stuff, it's just not even going to compare. They're going to cost $20, $30 more than this. So go check it out. That's all, guys. Appreciate you watching.